Let's take a look at this example. We have to convert mixed numbers to the improper fraction. Remember, we have to multiply denominator by the whole number, and the result we have to add to the numerator. 7 times 9 is 63, plus 3 is 66. 66 over 7. Divided by 21 times 2 is 42. Plus 2 is 44 over 21. Anytime we divide fractions, we have to copy first fraction down. We have 66 over 7. Division I have to change to the multiplication, and I have to find the reciprocal of the second fraction, which is 21 over 44. Now check if we can reduce any numerator with any denominator. I have 7 and 21. Both of them are divisible by 7. 66 and 44. Both of them are divisible by 22. 66 divided by 22 is equal 3. 7 divided by 7 is 1. Times 21 divided by 7 is 3. Over 44 divided by 22 is 2. Now we can perform the multiplication. Multiply numerator by numerator and denominator by denominator. So 3 times 3 is 9, and 1 times 2 is 2. This is the example of the improper fraction. Improper fraction I convert to the mixed number by simply dividing 9 by 2. How many times 2 goes into 9? Goes 4 times. 4 times 2 is 8. Subtract 9 minus 8 is 1. The answer is 4 and 1/2. Okay, so my answer is 4 and 1/2.